Welcome, my name is Adam Brennan, and this is a screencast that's designed to accompany the 2008 OGEC breakout session for It's Truly a Small, Small World After All, a look at privatized global e-resources on the internet. And just to kind of recap again, one reason that you might want to look at privatized resources for exploring global information and global needs is that the concept of the invisible web. Most of the web is in fact closed off and behind locked doors. There are three main focus points to this particular screencast, and that is how to acquire information, sources that provide information on different parts of the world, such as news and various things of what's going on. Another focus is how to view artistic works from around the world. And the third focus is immersion tools, places where you can go in databases that have articles in other languages that you can use for your students or your teaching needs, or just if you want to read something in a non-English tongue. We'll start with information on where you can find things about various parts of the world. And the two main database resources I'd like to go over is Access World News from Newsbank and Culturegrams. I'll go ahead and start by showing you Access World News. So I'm going to go down here to newspapers and go ahead and click on Access World News. Click on the Access World News link in order to get to the area that contains the global resources. One thing that you'll notice here is you'll notice a graphic of the world as well as an index of the different countries. If I wanted to read a Middle Eastern newspaper, one in Kuwait perhaps, I could either click on the country here or click on the country name. And Access World News will pull up any newspaper titles that they have that come from that particular country. Next is Culturegrams. Culturegrams is an encyclopedia-like resource that can give you basic information about different countries and other little neat facts and factoids too. The edition we want to click on is the World Edition. Much like Access World News, you'll notice a big graphic of the world here. You can click on an area to bring up the countries of that area, and then click on a country. Culturegrams will provide you with statistical data, developmental data, and it also has a few other neat features as well, such as the ability to listen to the national anthem of the country, as well as a currency converter and even recipes. ARTstor is a wonderful database to tap for graphical images around the world. You enter ARTstor by clicking on the Go link up here in the top right corner of the browser. ARTstor allows you to browse different artworks based off of geography here on the first page. When you click on that link, it'll bring up an index of the different countries that ARTstor has works from. You could expand each country to see what kind of graphical images they have. Many things are found in here ranging from architecture to fashion to sculpture to oil paintings. Double-clicking on a category will bring up the images. For good immersion resources, I'm going to go into JSTOR. Under the advanced search option in JSTOR, there's the ability to limit what kind of language you want your articles to appear in. I'm Adam Britton, and thank you very much for watching this screencast.